In this video, I'm gonna explain you about Amazon PPC exact match type campaigns. So as I always say in all of my videos that Amazon PPC is the best marketing tool for your Amazon product, and if you understand it properly, if you learn it from its core, so you will actually see or understand like what is actually happening inside this algorithm, inside the system, so you will be able to do it properly and get the max results out of it. So in general, mainly there are two types of campaigns: auto campaigns and manual campaigns. So I have made a separate video on auto campaigns, like what it is, why it is important, and how to run it, so you can watch that video. But in this video, I'm going to be covering the exact match campaign, which is a part of manual campaign. So in manual campaign, there are three types of campaigns, like exact match, phrase match, and broad match. So if Amazon PPC system allows you and gives you the option to run the manual campaign for three match type, so that means there is a different purpose of all of these three match type, like exact, phrase, and broad. So as I say that all of the campaign match type has its different purpose, so you must need to learn properly like for what purpose each match type is, so then you will be able to utilize them properly. You will be able to know like at which point and for which purpose you need to run which campaign, to get the data, to get the keywords, to know your audience, to know how Amazon works, to know which keywords are basically good for your product. So in that way, if you learn it properly, implement it properly, so you will be able to get the maximum sales, profit, and revenue from your Amazon product. So basically, if we talk about exact match PPC manual campaign type, so as its name said, exact, so basically this means in this campaign you will tell the keywords to Amazon like these are the keywords and please show my product ad on that keyword. So when someone search for that keyword on Amazon, so they will be able to see my product ad on that keyword and they will click and purchase, right? So exact mean Amazon will show your product on that exact keyword, not any other keyword. So let's take an example of a product, water bottle. So if I put the keyword water bottle into the exact campaign, so Amazon will show my product on the keyword water bottle. But for example, if someone search for water bottle for my kid, blue water bottle, or gym water bottle, or sports water bottle, so Amazon will not show my product on that keyword if I'm using exact campaign. So if you want our product to be shown on some other keyword, like multiple keyword like water bottle, blue water bottle, because we don't know what kind of keyword people will search. Maybe someone will search for stainless steel water bottle, someone will search for plastic water bottle. So if you want to target a broad audience, like if we want Amazon to make that keyword combination and then show our ad to just test like from which keyword people are clicking or not, so we can use the broad and phrase match type campaign. So that's why I say that broad and phrase match type campaign are basically discovery campaign, with the help of which you can find or discover new keywords. But most of the time those campaigns are not profitable, because in those campaigns you are basically discovering some keyword. So out of all of those keyword or sales which you will get, some keyword works but some keyword don't work. So that's why these are discovery campaign and not profitable. So after you will find the golden keywords or exact keyword from those discovery campaigns, then here it comes to exact match type keyword. So after running broad and phrase campaign, when you get some golden keyword which you think that are beneficial for your product and are exactly matching, so you can now create a new campaign which is exact match type campaign, and you need to use those 5 or 10 keywords which are exactly matching to your product and bringing you more sales into that exact campaign. So when you target all of those keywords into the exact match type campaign, so in that way you will be able to having a full control on your bids, on your budget, and on your keyword. So right after you will launch that exact match type campaign, so Amazon will only target those keywords as compared to those bids and those budget which you have just put on your campaign. So that's why I say that exact match type campaign is the most profitable match type campaign, and almost every big Amazon seller use these type of campaign to get more profit or maximize their profit. But if you want those exact match type campaign work for you and give you more profit, so first you need to learn and run the broad or phrase match type campaign, discovery campaign, and discover some good keyword. And once you are sure on those keywords, like these keywords are super relevant and bringing you more sales, then you have to create the exact match type campaign with the help of those keywords. And if you do so, then only you will get more profit from exact match type campaign. So now at this point, as you know what exact match type campaign is and why it is different from other campaign like broad or phrase, so now let's go on my computer screen and then I'll show you how to create these kind of exact match type campaign and how it will give you more profit. I'll show you on my campaigns as well. But before getting started, I'm having an exciting news for you, because I'm giving you a chance to win a free consultation call with me. So to enroll in that lucky draw is super simple. All you have to do is comment on this video and join my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online. That's it. This is a 10-second process. So what are you waiting for? Go there, enroll yourself in that free lucky draw and get a chance to win some valuable stuff every week. And the details about the winners and the prizes you can find in that group. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my Amazon PPC campaign manager. So you can see that this is one of my newly launched product, and this is the data for past 30 days. And you can see that initially this product was getting good sales, but now it is not getting good sales because the reason is that my product got out of stock. Like when I was launching that product and I was making inventory projection, so basically I aim for 500 pieces sales in 1 month. But suddenly my PPC went very well and I got all of my inventory sold in just 1 month, which I was planning for 3 months. So now I have ordered the new stock, and till then I have to wait. So from this you can actually learn, like if you're projecting your inventory, so make sure you always have a backup of your inventory so you can avoid this out of stock situation. So anyways, get back to the point. You can see that the A cost for this PPC campaign in past 30 days is very good. Like it's 33%, and after spending of $690, I have got a sales of almost $2,000 in past 30 days, and these are only PPC sales. Like if I add the PPC sales and organic sales as well, so the total revenue for this product in past month is more than $5,000. So if I go down, so from here I can see all of my campaigns, all of the stats of the campaigns, like the CTR, A cost and everything else. So here you can see that all of my campaigns are turned off, only one campaign is turned on, and that campaign is campaign manual exact. So basically this is a successful hierarchy of Amazon PPC. Like first we have to run auto campaign, manual campaign phrase and manual campaign broad. And once you know all of the good keyword, then you have to rely 100% on your exact campaign, because this is the campaign that will give you profit. That's why you can see that my best performing campaign is exact campaign, and the campaign which is only turned on right now is the exact campaign. And when I scroll right, so you can see that on this campaign I have got almost 305 clicks, 11,000 impressions and 57 orders after spending $400, right? So if I just open that campaign, so from here you can see that every metrics of this campaign is very good, right? So if you want to create the exact match campaign, so all you have to do is you have to click on this create campaign button, and then from these three you have to click on this first sponsored brand product. Click on continue, and then this is the page from where you have to create a campaign. You can see that there are multiple blocks here, like ad group name, products, and if you go down, targeting and so on. So you have to fill out this form one by one, like what is the campaign name, what is your campaign budget, and on which product you want to run that campaign, right? And from here in the targeting box, you can see that there are two modes, automatic and manual. So here in this case we will select manual, and then we can see that in manual targeting it is giving us the option of two types of targeting, like keyword targeting and product targeting. So basically if you select product targeting, so in that targeting you need to grab the essence of some of your competitor on the listing of which you want to run your ad. So if you run a campaign for product targeting, so your product advertised will start showing on your competitor listing, so you can get sales from there as well. So I have also covered this topic in detail in one of my other videos, so you can watch that. But for now in this case, if we want to run the exact manual type campaign, so you have to select keyword targeting, and when you scroll down, so here you can see that these three options, broad, phrase and exact. So as we want to run the exact, so let's uncheck broad, uncheck phrase and let the exact box as it is. So now in the final step, you need to enter the keywords which you want to exactly target into this campaign. So when you click on this enter list, so here you can just type out all of those keywords which you want to target. Like for example, if I'm selling water bottle, so I can type water bottle, water, blue water bottle or gym water bottle. So if I want this campaign to target these keywords exactly and show my product ad exactly on this keyword, not on any other keyword, so I need to put all of those keywords here. And then you can see that Amazon is basically showing you suggestion like gym water bottle, gym water bottles for men, gym water bottles for women and so on. So basically here we are not going to choose any of the keyword, but we want to stick on only those keywords which we know that they are golden keyword for my product and not some other keyword. Because if you select all of the keywords without looking at them or without doing any research, so in that way you will be targeting some irrelevant keyword which are not useful keyword and will only waste your money. So that's why I always say that if you don't want to waste your money and you want to utilize your money fully into getting sales, into targeting exact audience, so you need to learn the PPC free of cost from my Amazon playlist. Because here in this video I'm only explaining you what exact match type keyword is. But if you watch my other videos, you will learn like how to do the keyword research, how to find the good golden keywords for your product with the help of Helium 10 or with the help of PPC campaign. So if you watch those videos and find out some golden keyword and you learn it properly, so you will not lose money. And after putting all of those keywords, when you click on add keywords here, so you can see that on the right side, all of these three keywords like water bottle, blue water bottle and gym water bottle has been added to this campaign, and the match type is exact, and these are the bids. So from here you can control the bids. Like this is a default bid $0.6, but later on when you run this campaign for 1 or 2 days and you think that from all of these three keywords any one is performing good but two are not performing good, so for that keyword which is performing good and giving you good sales, so you can increase or decrease the bid of that keyword as per your convenience to get the most profit and most sale, right? So after filling out all of those keywords here, all you have to do is you have to click on launch campaign and your campaign will be launched with the exact match type keyword in manual targeting. So I hope at this point you are having complete knowledge about exact match type keyword, and if you have watched this video of mine, then I will 100% recommend you to watch my next 2 or 3 videos as well, in which I cover the automatic campaign, the phrase campaign and the broad campaign. Because only learning about exact campaign is not enough. If you learn about all of the 4 types of campaign, then you will be able to understand and compare between them, like which campaign you have to run or which campaign you don't have to run at which pace. So if you learn it properly, if you understand it properly, then as per your knowledge, you will be able to make a complete strategy to make your product profitable and to get more money out of it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.